2 cubes to go, Mr. Nick.
Who goes?
Whatever. You want to go? Left, right, left, right, left, right.
Eyes closed.
You pick one?
Yeah, I think so. Oh,
Yeah.
right there.
Which one was it?
I don't know.
Whoa, you don't know? Okay. At some point, we got to look at our list and see what we're looking for, what we really need, all those things, because we're not checking and guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it, everybody. Nick.
I got you. I actually did look the whole time.
Oh, you sneaky. All right. Drum roll, please. It is a... Ooh!
Do we have him?
No!
Look at him.
A rust! Yeah, we wanted him. Look at that. Look at how cool. Look, his eyebrows are rusty. Everything is. Look at the metal showing through there. Yes.
I got the magic touch back.
You did.
Alright.
Let's see. Oh, look, and it's a good low cereal, too. Ah, it's awesome. Okay, so let's do this. Cryptoys tracker. And this is what, a rare trap jaw. Rare. Hey, look, there it is.
Where we have him?
Nope, just filled it in. Rare trap jaw. Awesome. Well done. Good pull, buddy. Love when we get new stuff. Cool. All right, one more in the collection. And we have one more to go. Oh, you know what? While we're here, let's take a quick look. So here's what we're looking for. We're in this wave 2 here. So, look, we still don't have the commons filled out here. So we need a common Beastman and a common Trapjaw. Right? I know there's wacky ones we want, but we got to get the originals.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we're hoping for. All right, guys, one more to go. Let's hope that it's Beastman or Trapjaw, just so we can fill these up. And can you believe we still never got this one? This uncommon Battle Cat? The original Battle Cat? Unbelievable. So, all right, there we go. Now we know what we're looking for. We'll see you.